Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to design the knob seen here used to turn our coin sorter. So whenever you're ready, let's come on up to File and let's do a new design. We're going to do a part design and select Create New. All right, the first thing we're going to do, as always, is create a sketch here. And we're going to come up to Create and we're going to drag out a 2-point rectangle from our origin here, a distance, well, where it's highlighted, we're going to set that height to be zero point 0.3, and then we're going to hit the tab button and we're going to set that distance to 0.83. Enter, and we're going to zoom in so we can see this thing better. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little more, and what we're going to do now is grab our line drawing tool. We're going to start right here at our origin, and we're just going to kind of drag out a box and something that looks like this. Make sure you have all these perpendicular constraints here, and then we're going to go grab our circle drawing tool, and right around in here we're going to drag out a circle with a diameter of 0.09 and select enter. And then we're going to come up to our tangent constraint, and we're going to set this guy tangent to that line right there. And then we're going to go to modify, trim, and we're going to trim the top half of our circle and this line right here. Now let's go ahead and start adding some more dimensions here. We want this distance right here to be 0.17, and we want this distance right here to be 0.18, and I'm going to move this guy out a little farther, and then we want this distance from this point to this line to be 0.19, and this distance from here to here, we want that to be 0.12. And now we're just going to come up to modify, and we're going to trim this line right here. And then let's just dimension this line to be 0.83 and then enter. All right, once that's done, we are finished with our sketch. We can come on over here, finish our sketch, and we are now going to revolve this guy. There's our profile. Let's select our axes and right there. So we end up with something that looks like that. Let's go ahead and select OK. Then we're just going to put a chamfer on this edge right here with a size of 0.07 and select OK or enter. And then we're going to come up and we're going to create a sketch right here on that face, and we're going to come on up and grab our center rectangle, and we're just going to kind of drag out a rectangle something like this, and we're going to dimension the width of this to be 0.06. All right, and then we're going to grab our line tool, and we're just going to drag a line out from here to here. Make sure those midpoint, those triangle constraints pop up. And then we're going to come to modify, trim, and we're going to trim everything below that line we just drew. All right, that looks good. We're going to go ahead now and finish our sketch. And we're going to extrude this face and that face or profile, and we're going to cut away, and I'm going to click on this face right here, so it will extrude that distance right there, minus 0.4. Select OK. And now that we've created this little notch, we have to make 3 of them. So we're going to come to Create, Pattern, Circular Pattern, come on over here to Features and click on that notch we just made, and the axis, well, we can click on really any of these, but that one works, and select 3 and select OK. Now these little notches are important, so when we go to press this knob into another part, it's going to allow these 3 little plastic pieces to kind of flex so they pop into the other part. If hope that makes sense. So anyways, the last thing we want to do now is go ahead and just put some fillets right there and right there, and we're going to make those a distance of 0.03. Go ahead and select OK. And just like you do for every part, let's give it a color. Come up to Document Settings, Appearance, We'll give this guy a cool yellow. You can always change it by going to edit. Maybe give it like an orange since we don't do too many oranges. Hit done. Close. Don't forget to save it. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.